Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen, and today we are saving for 12 freebies today. I will have all of the freebies linked in the description box, and I have $40 here. So guys, let's see if we can complete any challenges today. I think we are close to completing maybe a couple of them today, but we will see. So number eight, and number 7. Okay, 2, 4, 6, number 7, and number 8, number 11, number 6, and number 6. That's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, guys. Number 2, number 10, and number 1. So we have number 1, number 2. Guys, I think that was number 10. Okay. That's what I get for trying to be a little fancy. Okay. Number 3, number 3, and number 3. Okay, number 3. So number 3 will get $6. All right, that was a 7 and a 5 and an 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, number 10, 9 and 10. That's 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. Guys, hopefully we can complete 7, 8, 9. Okay, the last two are 5 and 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Guys, let's see if we completed anything this time. I feel like I've been doing quite a bit this month and haven't completed one challenge yet. So fingers crossed. If not, each dollar is definitely adding up. And the funds that I saved from the mini savings challenges will go towards my long-term savings. This challenge is from Budget with Reese, and we have 10, 12, 15, and $18 here saved so far. This is my challenge. Drinking tea and taking care of me. We saved $2 today. Not quite halfway completed with this challenge, but we do have $10 saved so far. And then our next challenge, we did complete a challenge today. Yay! Financial Dreams with Christine. We need $2, and we will put the rest to the side. So we did complete a challenge today, guys. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and $16. If you've been following me, I always put $1 in after I complete every challenge. And this is to jumpstart my 2025. I saved over $150 last year, so in 2024. So I completed over 150 challenges last year, and I didn't start that until like middle of the year. So I'm curious to see how much I will save and how many challenges I complete this year. So I'm definitely going to do that again. Okay, and I am going to add in another challenge here. This is from Purple Glimmer Budgets. And I am going to go ahead and add the $4 remaining right here. So there's $2 and $4. Nothing this time for Mama Spicy Savings. And Match Maggie, we saved $4. So let's add the $4 to what we already have. Guys, yes, we are close to finishing this challenge as well. Invest in your interest, which I absolutely agree. Okay, and we have 5, 10, 20, $24. Yay. And yes, we are almost finished here. And then sponsored or promoted by Boop and Budgets. Here's a collab challenge with Cash and Color Budgets, Cash Budget and Homemaker, Coffee and Budgets, and Alley Cocoa Budgets. And we saved $4 today. Almost completed here too, guys. 20, 30, $34. So super duper cool. And Busy Lizzie Budgets January challenge. We saved $6. Almost finished here, guys. Here's 2, 4, and 6. So just about done here as well. We saved 25, 30, $34. So super duper duper cool there. Yeah, we may have finished another challenge right here, guys. Save with Rose. We only needed 6, and we have $6. Super duper cool. Yay! So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $16. Guys, you know I put $1 in the Save Challenge box for 2025. And this will transfer to my long-term savings, which is my high-yield savings and my new car fund. And then I'm going to add this last challenge for the month, Moonshee Queen. New Year, New You. It's a roll and save. I'm going to put that there. And then Boop and Budget's birthday challenge. Guys, this is my birthday month, okay? And I am not a huge birthday person. However, this year, 2025, I am saving for a nice birthday party in 2026. This is 20, $30. So, yay. More than halfway done there. This is another happy birthday. Uh-oh, guys. I should have saved $4. How's this $3? Oh, no. Here it is. Okay, $4. There we go. So there's 2 and $4. So this is Boop and Budgets challenge as well. Happy birthday. And we have a total of 10, $18. So we are moving right along with this challenge. I think this one is going to be more, because instead of $1 per heart, I'm using it as $2 per heart. So this will save me a total of $80 instead of $40. Okay. And then we have Budget with PJ, $2 here. And that gives us 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and $16. So now we are halfway completed here. So guys, that is all that I have today because the 12 spot did not get any savings today, but that's okay. Maybe next time. We did save 2. We did complete 2 challenges today. We added our last 2 challenges. So that should give us 14 challenges to complete by the end of this month, which will then go into my long-term savings. Guys, I'm super duper excited about this year because this is the year that I am kicking in high gear to pay down my mortgage. Okay, so if that's something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe. All right, and click the like button, and I will see you all next time. Bye for now.